Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I am cleaning the bathroom and I thought I'd just show you how I do it. As you can see, I've cleared away all the bits and bobs that are around the bath, and yeah, I'm going to start off with the tiles because they've not had a clean for a while. So I'm going to use this Viacal. I'm just going to spray it all over quite liberally and just leave it to soak for a little bit.
No fear, no doubt. I know a place that sneak away. Leave the pain, I'll stay with you.
Once it's had a few minutes doing its stuff, I give it a little scrub and then I rinse it off with the warm water from the shower. And obviously the shower door and everything. Rinse it all off. Then I get my little squeegee and I squeegee out as much of the excess water that I can. It just stops the microfiber cloth that I use to sort of buff up, stops it getting too wet, so it just gets rid of a lot of the water. This is also good to keep on top of condensation, so like after you've had a shower or a bath, I always squeegee the tiles down. Gracie likes to do that, that's one of her little jobs that she enjoys doing.
Your medicine, no fear, no doubt. I know a place that sneak away. Leave the pain, I'll stay with you. Let me hold you, close your eyes. We'll be reaching paradise.
And then I've got my microfiber and I just buff up the shower door. Sometimes I'll spray a bit of glass cleaner on there as well, but I haven't done that today. And then I'm just buffing up all the tiles as well, as you can see, to get them all nice and dry. And then I'm going over all the other bits with the Viacal, so all the taps and the shower head and everything. And just removing my little shelves there. And then just spray the shower door with it as well. Leave that to soak in again and then give it a good old scrub.
We'll be alright, be alright, be alright. Yeah, I know we'll be alright. We are closer now than ever, and I know we'll be alright. Be alright, be alright. Yeah, I know we'll be alright. We are closer now than ever, and I know we'll be alright. Be alright, be alright. Yeah, I know we'll be alright. We are closer now than ever, and I know we'll be alright. I don't even really know your.
And then shower it all off again.
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide.
Then I spray the inside of the tub and leave that to soak. While that's soaking, I'm just going to spray some of this white vinegar spray on the outside of the shower door, because obviously that doesn't get quite as scummy. So it doubles up as a bit of a glass cleaner as well, so I just wipe that down with my microfiber cloth. Then I'm going back to scrub the inside of the bath.
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all my slip-ups and mistakes. And I'm just pointless without you.
And then shower it all down. I do normally remove that bath mat actually, but for some reason I didn't this time. And then I'm just putting some of the Zaflora down the plug hole just to keep it nice and fresh. And then removing things away from the sink, and I'm going to spray the Viacal again. leave it to do its thing, and then go in with my scrubby again and give it a good old scrub.
I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to your bed?
Mine, right here, right now. And even if the world ends, then I'll be fine. No fear, no doubt. I know a place that sneak away. Leave the pain, I'll stay with you. Let me hold you, close your eyes.
Then the toothbrush holder, obviously it gets a bit scummy in there, so I spray some of the Viacal in there and then give that a scrub and then give it a good rinse out. And obviously once it's rinsed, I always make sure that it's really dry before I put the things back in.
I don't even really know your name, but I'm still high on the love that making me feel alright. Yeah, I'm still high on the love that making me feel alright.
So that's just putting everything back, fresh flannel. And then this little bit here, I'm just using the white vinegar spray because it's quite clean, to be fair, it doesn't get messy there. And I'm also just spraying down the tiles as well. I'm going to give them a little wipe over. And down the side, like near the toilet as well, on the tiles. I will give that a clean too.
With you, let me hold you, close your eyes. We'll be reaching paradise.
Then I've got my Fabulosa, so I've got the spray which is antibacterial. Spray that all over the toilet, and then I've got my Fabulosa wipes, which is what I use, just so that you're not cross-contaminating anything, you know, using cloths. I know it's not that environmentally friendly, but I do like the wipes. I leave that spray on the toilet for a bit, and then I'm just wiping down the side of the units. And then I'm going in with my glass cleaner on the mirror. And on the towel radiator there, I'm just going to buff that up with some glass cleaner too to make it nice and shiny.
We'll be alright, be alright, be alright. Yeah, I know we'll be alright. We are closer now than ever, and I know we'll be alright, be alright, be alright. Yeah, we know we'll be alright. We are closer now than ever, and I know we'll be alright.
So now back to the toilet, like I said. By the way, if you're wondering what that black dangly thing is, it's the wrist strap off my camera. I should really have moved that out of the way, but hey ho. Yep, so I wipe all over the toilet seat, and then I just use a bit of kitchen roll or, you know, toilet roll or something, just to make sure it's nice and dry. And the usual clean inside of the toilet. Then I'm just spraying the floor, and I'm using my Zaflora wipes, not Zaflora, Fabulosa wipes. Just using a wipe there on the windowsill. Obviously a different wipe to what I've used in the toilet. And then I just work my way out the room, just cleaning the floor with the Fabulosa wipes. So it kind of dusts and cleans in one if I'm not hoovering. Getting on your hands and knees using these wipes, it collects all the bits of dust as well. And then I'm just replenishing with a nice fresh towel. So there we go. nice and clean, ready to be messed up again. Thanks for watching everyone, please check out my other videos, we've got lots up, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!